We're going to those dramatic visuals coming from inside the Delhi Assembly. You can see that how BJP MLA is trying to hold on to his desk and has been marshalled out, forcefully evicted just before the Aam Aadmi Party tabled the Jan Lokpal bill. The two of the BJP MLAs, Vijender Gupta and Jagdish Pradhan, were dragged out, literally picked up by the marshals as they were trying to stay in the Delhi Assembly floor. We have Pooja giving us more details. Yes, Pooja.
That is right. So whatever opposition was available in the assembly will also not be available till at least 4 p.m. Now, BJP MLA Vijender Gupta and, of course, the other MLA as well were literally sloganeering in favor of their suspended MLA, O.P. Sharma. They were saying there has been an apology, that there were no comments that was too objectionable, that he's been suspended for the whole session. Today was an important day, and in fact, the BJP, the three MLAs, out of which one is suspended, the two of them also criticized the assembly. They're saying that even the assembly, the speaker is being partisan, he's being biased. The comments were not so brutal that he had to be suspended for the whole session. So just an hour before the Lokpal session is all set, Lokpal bill is all set to be introduced in the assembly by Deputy CM Manish Sisodia. The two MLAs of the BJP are also not backing out. They have very clearly said that there was a manner in which the assembly was supposed to behave, but the whole assembly has turned against the opposition, which is the two remaining BJP MLAs. And now that even they have been very clearly picked up by the marshals, the security guards have of course taken them out. The marshals clearly being instructed by the speaker that this was not a very appropriate behavior by the MLAs. They're saying that unparliamentary language has been used by the BJP MLAs. But the BJP MLAs...
Okay, Pooja, be with us. We have O.P. Sharma with us right now. He's been suspended earlier by the Delhi Assembly Speaker. Mr. Sharma, your reaction on what we're witnessing in Delhi Assembly today against the rest of your two party MLAs?
देखिए, ये जोकर का जोकपाल है और उसका मसौदा है जो कभी बिल बन नहीं सकता। ये दिल्ली के लोगों को बहकाने और भरमाने का जो कार्य पिछले 9 महीने से कर रहे हैं, इन्होंने संवैधानिक प्रक्रिया पूरी नहीं की और जब भी इसके विरोध में आवाज उठाते हैं तो लोगों के साथ इसी प्रकार का ये व्यवहार करते हैं। ये इनकी दमन की नीति है। ये 67 लोगों की जो संख्या है, ये विपक्ष का दमन करना चाहते हैं, उसका एक नमूना है।
पर O.P. शर्मा जी, जो आप भी हम देख रहे हैं वो तो काफी शॉकिंग है, क्योंकि एक डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप के अंदर इस तरह किसी नेता को खदेड़ के बाहर ले जाना ये काफी ज्यादा प्रश्न उठा रहा है आम आदमी पार्टी के ऊपर।
देखिए, जब से ये आम आदमी पार्टी लालू के प्रभाव में आई है तब से पागलपन के नए नए आयाम पेश कर रही है और उसी चीज का ये एक नमूना है। ये मसौदा है, ये कभी बिल बन नहीं सकता क्योंकि इनकी मंशा बिल बनाने की नहीं है। ये अपराधियों की, नकली डिग्री पार्टी वालों की पार्टी है।
क्या आपने विजेंद्र गुप्ता या जगदीश प्रधान जी से बात करी कि क्या हुआ था दरअसल असेंबली के अंदर?
ये असेंबली के अंदर जो उनका जो संवैधानिक जो कार्य वो कर रहे हैं, जब उसका विरोध करना जो कि विरोधी पक्ष का जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है, उसी को वो पूर्ति कर रहे थे। उसी सिलसिले में ये इस प्रकार का कार्य इन्होंने किया है।